Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'll just get to it. So this took me 3.5 minutes, this sketch took me 3 minutes, and this sketch took me 2 minutes 20 seconds. All have been utilised with the geometric and observational methods, along with good speed, creating the feedback loop. This feedback loop allows you to analyse and critique your own work. It doesn't need to be art, but in this case it's sketching for me, and this creates, as I said, the analysis and how you adapt, how you keep that method going, whatever you're doing, keep it going or cut it back or tweak it or that type of thing. So it is a very quick and effective and efficient way of learning any topic. And yeah, I'm just really delighted at the fact that I am consistently showing improvements each day, and I've already improved within 2 weeks. Please let me know what you think, and also if you utilise these methods. Thanks guys.